Yo, Minecraft crew, welcome to 1 Minute It Shot. Want to get a command block in Minecraft on your PC in 2025? This few-minute guide's super cool. Smash that like button and subscribe. Let's roll. Fire up your game and pick a world. Go to Settings, click Open to LAN, turn on Allow Cheats, and start the LAN world. Hit the T key to open chat. Type /give at S command block, check the description for it, and hit enter to get the block. Move to where you want it, right-click to place it, and boom, you've got your command block ready to use. That's it. You're a Minecraft pro. Drop your favorite command in the comments. Peace out and keep gaming.